Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza and I welcome you all to the very next episode of my SQL training tutorial. In this episode, I want to talk about mix and min, two of the aggregate functions which are used in SQL. We talked about count, I think, in the second episode, if I'm not mistaken. Count is another, aggregate function. And these are called aggregate functions because, they combine, they kind of aggregate the different values in your table and they produce a single result. So as you remember with count, we could count the number of records, for example. And then in the output, we just got one simple, number which showed the number or the count of the records which we wanted. Now, we want to talk about, min and max. Min and max are used, as the name suggests, they are used to calculate the minimum value and the maximum value of a field. In order to have a more, tangible example, I'm going to use another table, which I have here, the products table. The products table, has different columns. Here we've got product ID, which is primary key, not nullable. We've got product name, supplier ID, category ID, unit price, unit and price. So I'm going to fetch the select. We're going to fetch the top 1000 rows. And here you can see we have 42 records and we have different values here. I want to work with the price. I want to, for example, first off, sort my products based on their price. So I can say select everything from the products table and order by. I just like to, put these in uppercase. Order by price. And then I run this, and the output, you see your products, sorted based on their price. And the most expensive product is product whose product ID is 9, and the cheapest one is this one. Now suppose I want to get the minimum price, number 6, right? In the output as just one field, one record, like the count which we talked about. I want to get this number 6 in the output. I need to use min, which is an aggregate function, to get the minimum value out of this field. So I can say select min of the field is price. Order by, and then I run this, and here I get 9. So I could, I used min to get the minimum price of this table and then put it in the, output. And as you can see here, we do not have a title for this field, for this column. I can use as to kind of give this an alias, a name. For example, I can say minimum price. And this is the name that we have selected for this field. And of course, we can have max. The maximum price is 97, and of course, this should be maximum, right? Maximum price is 97, and minimum price was 6. This min and max, we are going to talk about them. This min and max are very important. For example, suppose you want to select every single customer, every single product, for example, whose price is greater than the minimum price, which was 6. So in order to do that, first you need to calculate the minimum price using the min, and then you need to select every single product whose price is greater than that, min value. We are going to talk about these in detail. I will probably create a playlist and in which I will, work on the exercises of the SQL commands, but I just wanted to give you some, context about the importance of max, min, and count. So far, we have talked about 3 aggregate functions: max, min, and count. And as I told you, they are called aggregate functions because they produce an aggregated value, a simple single value in the output. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do and share this video with your friends. And also stay tuned for my upcoming videos. We will continue talking about the different commands. And I think in the upcoming videos, we will probably talk about joins, which are very important and sometimes a little bit tricky to understand. But no worries, I have you covered and we will talk about them in detail. Thank you so much. Take care. Till later. Bye-bye.